Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Wellington Drive in the Liquanea area, and Wellington takes you from Mona Road down towards Old Hope Road. It's a residential area, but it has a lot of townhouses, a lot of new ones too. Some are still under construction. The lots up here are big, so you find that you have a lot of space to build these apartments. I'm going to tilt the camera so you can see massive development going on the left. Okay, we'll drive back around. Okay, now this straight ahead, you see that apartment being built. The work has actually stopped on it because this apartment is too close to the US Embassy. Now apparently they have some rules governing how high you can go with a building because the embassy is there. So as you can see, there are no workmen out there. And I think it's in the courts because the embassy, I'm not sure who complained, but basically that building is too tall because it overlooks the US Embassy. Okay, we're now turning on Monroe Road, and I'm not sure if it's been resolved or what, but I know they had to stop working because of how tall the building was in proximity to the embassy. So there is a building, and we're going to show you where the embassy is now. This is Monroe Road. On the left is the Liquanea Plaza entrance. Okay, and then you notice this building on the right. It's only 2 stories high. The building that we spoke about is actually more than 2 stories high. So I think the problem was how tall the building was. But that's the US Embassy there on the right. So I'm not sure why it had to get to this point where they had to have the work on the building stopped. I mean, when those plans were being approved, you would think somebody would have said something then. Okay, so that's the embassy straight ahead. But if anybody knows what's the latest with that building, let us know in the comment section below. So this building beside it is only 2 stories, so I'm assuming there's no issue with that. The supermarket is probably 2 stories high. That one is... Okay, so this is the Liquanea area. And as you can see, a lot of townhouses and apartments. We're going back on to Wellington Drive now. Now we're going to turn here so you can see some more of the developments that are going on. Actually, some of these developments look very nice. Okay, now this on the left it's a parking lot. I have no idea why so many cars are parked out here. Can't be the construction site. Well, that's the US Embassy on the left, but you would think they would have secure parking. unless this is for the non-US officials. And there you can see it's a parking facility. Yeah, I'm assuming that this parking lot is for the non-US officials who work at the embassy. Okay, so that looks like the back entrance to the embassy. And a development is being built on the left. Seems like a very big development. Okay, that was probably the picture we saw when we turned. Yeah, that's it. And straight ahead is a very nice building. I must say these apartment buildings that they're building now, they're very nicely designed. They're not just like four walls and bam. They have a lot of architectural design to them. Very nice. You have to love the progress. So this is Wellington Drive in front of us. You can see how busy it is. So those new apartments that are being built where you see the zinc fence, I'm wondering how high they are going to be because of the same issue that this apartment building had with being so close to the embassy, because that building that's being built where you saw the zinc fence is even closer to the embassy than this one. So that should be interesting. I'm going to check it out and I'll do a follow-up video, or I'll leave a comment in the section below to see what's the latest with this building. It's called, well, the sign is actually, you can't read it, it's burnt out. But I'm going to check up on it and leave a message, or if anybody knows, leave a message in the comment section below. And also the new building that's being built, how tall is that building going to be? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.